what is laser bar inspection? Well, it's a non-destructive method to assess the strength of the bond between the bonding adhesive and the composite structure. And the method of LBI is basically the use of a pulsed laser that generates a compressive stress wave that propagates into the material. The strength of the stress wave can be selected by adjusting the energy and temporal pulse width of the laser beam. The compressive wave that's created by the process reflects off the back-free surface as a tensile wave, and that tensile then interrogates the bond line, such as like a pool test, to determine if the bond line strength is adequate for the construction of the composite structure. Laser bar inspection detects weak bonds at the adhesive-composite interface. It does no harm to a strong bond if it's properly adjusted in fluence to be searching out weak bonds. It has been demonstrated that you can inspect a single location multiple times with looking at a fluence for the weak bond and do no harm to the strong bond. This has been demonstrated by post-mechanical testing that multiple shots, single location, at a low fluence, below the threshold for a strong bond, does no effect on the fatigue life of that bond after multiple shots, up to 10 shots or so. And right now, we're even going to be looking at even additional shots to see how many shots that you might be able to take still do no harm. The strength of the stress wave can be selected by varying the energy and or the pulse width of the laser beam. It's at a manufacturing readiness level of 5, and we're working towards a level of 7. It's available as a mobile system that is cart mounted. Major OEMs are engaged in evaluating the laser bar inspection process. The Northrop Grumman Corporation has just recently purchased a laser bar inspection system, and the Boeing company has also purchased a laser bar inspection back in 2012. And according to Boeing, Dick Bossy has said many times that LBI, laser bar inspection, is the only known method for evaluating bond strength. So let's look through some of the applications for laser bar inspection as a final summary. It can inspect adhesively bonded materials, composite to composite, that are made out of fiber-reinforced polymers, metal to composite. Some little work has been done on metal to metal by an OEM. We don't have access to the data. It can also inspect repairs of bonded structures, scarf repairs, patch repairs. And there's a number of industrial applications in the aerospace industry, automotive, and in the energy sector for wind turbine blades.